Have you ever pondered how vast our world truly is? An intriguing question, isn't it? Let's take a moment to delve into the realm of numbers that define our world. Imagine this: there are currently over 7.5 billion people living on our planet. That's 7 followed by 9 zeros. Quite a staggering number, don't you think? What's even more fascinating is the rate at which this number is growing. Every single second, approximately 2 people are born, while less than 1 person passes away. This means our global family is expanding by more than 1 member every second. In the time it's taken you to listen to this, the world has welcomed hundreds of new individuals, but these billions of people are not all the same, far from it. They communicate in a dizzying array of languages. There are over 7,000 languages spoken worldwide. That's right, 7,000 distinct ways of expressing thoughts, feelings, and ideas. From the widely spoken languages like Mandarin, English, and Spanish, to endangered tongues with only a handful of speakers left. And where are all these people and languages found? They're spread across 195 countries recognized by the United Nations. Some are vast, spanning multiple time zones, while others are tiny, smaller than some cities. Each one, with its unique culture, history, and way of life, adds to the vibrant tapestry that is our world. Indeed, the world we live in is immensely diverse and continually growing, a melting pot of cultures, languages, and individuals. It's a place of constant change and evolution, a testament to the indomitable spirit of life itself. In this vast world, there are countless fascinating aspects to discover. Shall we dive in? Ever considered the sheer force Mother Nature wields? In the grandeur of her spectacle, nature often leaves us spellbound. It's a power both breathtaking and terrifying, a testament to the raw, unbridled strength of the world we inhabit. Let's begin by talking about the wind. The highest wind speed ever recorded on Earth was during a tornado in Oklahoma, United States, in the year 2019. This twister spun at a mind-boggling 301 miles per hour. Imagine that, the speed of a jumbo jet, but in a swirling, chaotic vortex of air. And then there are earthquakes, the violent shaking of our very bedrock. The most powerful earthquake ever recorded struck Chile in 1960. Measuring a staggering 9.5 on the Richter scale, it released energy equivalent to approximately 1,000 Hiroshima bombs. The tremors were so strong, they caused tsunamis that reached as far away as Hawaii and Japan. But nature's power is not limited to the surface. Let's dive into the deepest point in the ocean, the Mariana Trench. Lying in the western Pacific Ocean, it plunges down about 36,000 feet, nearly 7 miles. That's deeper than Mount Everest is tall. It's a realm of perpetual darkness, immense pressure, and temperatures just above freezing. Each of these instances underlines the immense power of nature, a power that can create, transform, and even destroy. It's a power that is beyond human control, a testament to the forces that shape our world. Yet these are just a few examples of nature's might. From the highest peaks to the deepest trenches, from the gentlest breeze to the most furious storm, nature's power is all around us. It's in the roar of a waterfall, the crackle of lightning, the bloom of a flower, and the flight of a bird. The power of nature is awe-inspiring, isn't it? But there's more to our world than meets the eye. Did you know that a whole universe exists in the tiniest of spaces? Indeed, our world is teeming with life forms so small they can only be seen under a microscope. This is the realm of microorganisms, a bustling metropolis of unseen life that dwells within and around us, shaping our existence in ways we're just beginning to understand. Now, let's talk numbers. In the human body alone, there are over 39 trillion bacterial cells. To put that into perspective, that's more than the number of human cells we have. You heard it right, we are more microbe than human. These microscopic tenants, collectively known as the microbiome, reside primarily in our gut, where they play an essential role in our overall health, affecting everything from digestion to mental well-being. The smallest known living organisms are called mycoplasmas. These bacterial cells are as tiny as 200 nanometers in diameter, making them about 200 times smaller than a human hair. Despite their minuscule size, they are remarkably resilient and adaptable, capable of surviving in diverse environments, from soil to human lungs. But the world of microorganisms isn't just about numbers or size. It's about the vital role they play in life as we know it. They are the unseen workers of our world, breaking down waste, recycling nutrients, and even helping to regulate our planet's climate. They are the silent architects of life, shaping our world from the ground up. And let's not forget about their role in the food and drink we enjoy, from the yeast in your favorite bread to the bacteria responsible for the tangy taste of yogurt and the unique flavors of cheese. We owe much of our culinary delights to these tiny creatures. So next time you look in the mirror, remember you're not just looking at yourself, you're looking at a bustling city of microorganisms. Living, breathing ecosystem. The microcosm within us is as vast and fascinating as the world outside. Intriguing, isn't it? We share this world with millions of other species, but do you know just how many? From the tiniest bacteria to the largest whales, the animal kingdom is an awe-inspiring testament to the diversity of life on Earth. With an estimated 8.7 million different species, it's a realm of immense variety and wonder. Among these millions of species, the blue whale holds the title for the largest animal in existence, reaching a staggering length of up to 100 feet. That's about as long as 3 school buses lined up end to end. On the other side of the spectrum, we find the smallest animal, the fairy fly. This tiny wasp is barely visible to the human eye, measuring a mere 1 millimeter in length. That's about the thickness of a credit card. But size isn't the only thing that sets animals apart in the kingdom. Some creatures possess fascinating abilities that seem like they're straight out of a science fiction novel. Take the mimic octopus, for instance. This crafty cephalopod can impersonate other sea creatures to evade predators. Or consider the immortal jellyfish, which has a unique trick up its sleeve. Instead of dying, it can revert its cells back to their earliest form and start its life over again. It's like a real-life Benjamin Button of the sea. And let's not forget about the electric eel, capable of generating a shock of up to 600 volts. That's 5 times the power of a standard wall socket, all packed into a single creature. The animal kingdom is a living kaleidoscope, a testament to the power of evolution and the endless variety it can produce. From towering elephants to minuscule insects, from the ordinary to the extraordinary, each creature plays its part in the grand tapestry of life. As we continue to explore and understand more about these incredible creatures, we're constantly reminded of the vital role they play in our planet's ecosystems. The animal kingdom is a treasure trove of wonder and amazement. Our world is but a speck in the vast cosmic ocean. But how vast is this cosmic ocean? To truly grasp the immensity of the universe, let's start small. Our home, the Milky Way galaxy, is just one of an estimated 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe. Imagine that, 2 trillion galaxies, each teeming with billions, if not trillions, of stars. Now, let's expand our view a bit further. The size of the observable universe is a mind-boggling 93 billion light-years in diameter. A light-year is the distance light travels in 1 year. And light zips along at a speed of around 186,000 miles per second. So you can just begin to imagine the sheer scale we're talking about here. In terms of age, scientists estimate that the universe is about 13.8 billion years old. It's an age so vast, it's almost incomprehensible. To put it into perspective, if the entire history of the universe was condensed into a single calendar year, all of human history would fit into the last few seconds of December 31st. But let's not get lost in the vastness. At the same time, this cosmic enormity makes us realize the uniqueness and preciousness of our own world. Each star, each galaxy we see in the night sky is a reminder of our place in this grand cosmic stage. We are but a tiny part of an ongoing cosmic drama that has been unfolding for billions of years. Yet, despite our smallness, we have the capacity to understand the universe, to ask questions about its origin, its future, and our place in it. We are, as far as we know, the universe's way of understanding itself, and that is something truly remarkable. The enormity of the cosmos makes our world seem even more precious and unique. Humans, though tiny in the grand scheme of things, have made their mark on the world. How, you ask? Well, let's dive into some of our most significant achievements. First, let's travel back over 4,000 years to ancient Egypt. Here, the construction of the pyramids of Giza stands as a testament to human ingenuity and creativity. These imposing structures, built without the help of modern technology, have withstood the test of time. They remind us of our ability to dream big and achieve the seemingly impossible. Fast forward to the 20th century and we find another monumental achievement, landing on the moon. On July 20th, 1969, Neil Armstrong uttered the famous words, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind," as he became the first human to walk on the lunar surface. This event not only marked a significant scientific and technological achievement, but it also symbolized the limitless potential of the human spirit. In more recent times, the creation of the internet has revolutionized our lives in ways we could never have imagined. The internet has made the world a smaller place, connecting people from all corners of the globe. It's become an essential tool in our daily lives, changing the way we learn, work, and communicate. This digital revolution, sparked by human innovation, has transformed society and continues to shape our future. These achievements, among countless others, highlight the remarkable capabilities of our species. We are dreamers, builders, explorers. We push boundaries, defy odds, and constantly strive to better ourselves and the world around us. From the pyramids to the internet, human ingenuity has shaped our world in countless ways. Our world is constantly changing, but what does the future hold? As we look towards the horizon of time, we're met with a sense of wonder and uncertainty. The world as we know it is evolving, shaped by the hands of more than 7.5 billion people. It's projected that by the end of this century, our global family could expand to include over 11 billion members. This dramatic population growth will undoubtedly redefine the societal, economic, and environmental landscapes of our planet. Technology, too, is advancing at an unprecedented pace. In the blink of an eye, we've gone from the invention of the wheel to self-driving cars, from cave paintings to virtual reality. We're living in the digital age, an era where artificial intelligence is no longer the stuff of science fiction, but a tangible part of our everyday lives. In the future, we can expect technological advancements to propel us into realms previously unimagined. From bioengineering that could allow us to eradicate diseases, to quantum computing that might unlock mysteries of the universe, the possibilities are as boundless as our collective imagination. Yet as we hurtle towards this future, we're also faced with a monumental challenge: climate change. The world is getting warmer, sea levels are rising, and extreme weather events are becoming more frequent. The consequences of our actions are already being felt, and if left unchecked, could dramatically alter the world we leave for future generations. It's not an overstatement to say that our response to climate change will define the trajectory of our future. We stand at a crossroads. One path leads to a world where we harness our collective potential to overcome the challenges we face, a world where technology is a tool for progress, not a catalyst for division. The other path leads to a world where we succumb to our worst instincts, where we fail to act in the face of mounting challenges. The future of our world is as fascinating as its past. It's up to us to shape it. Our world is a place of wonders, both big and small. From the staggering numbers that define our existence to the raw and untamed power of nature, each facet of our planet holds a unique charm. In the microscopic world, life thrives in ways we can barely perceive, while the animal kingdom continues to astound us with its diversity and resilience. Beyond our earthly confines, the cosmos offers an infinite playground for our curiosity, and the achievements of the human race stand as a testament to our potential. As we peer into the future, we stand on the brink of discoveries that could redefine our understanding of the world. Each of these facts, each of these revelations, only add to the intricate tapestry of our existence. The more we learn about our world, the more we realize how much more there is to discover. Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep marveling at the wonders of our world.